JJ, you like that? The fat? You like the fat? Is it hot? She's a humba bird. She likes to eat humba. Oh, well, not just humba, but she likes to eat fat. Just fat. She loves it. That's the third cattle pork from the humba that I give it to her. Look at that. Oh my, it's hot. Actually, it's hot, that one. But then she loves it. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't believe her that she can eat humba. Oh, fat instead. Yeah, I'll make some humba and it's a pork and then get some big fats in it. Oh no. I don't know why she loves it. Humba girl.